My name is Todd Kawakita, and this is DataToInc.com. DataToInc.com is a website that helps you visualize data without needing to know how to code. It currently offers two different tools, a bar chart and a line chart. This bar chart shows the average rainfall in Boston over the last 12 months. But let's say we wanted to change this data entirely, and let's say we want to fill it with this GDP data of the top 40 wealthiest countries. The data causes the graph to change dynamically. We can also change this even further in Table Edit View. Let's say we only want the first 5 columns. Now we can see the distinction between the top 5 wealthiest countries easily. We can also start from scratch. Let's make up a new data set. Here you can see the data actually stacks for both positive and negative values. We can also group the values instead like this. We can also rename this graph New Graph. Now let's look at the line graph. The line graph is good at looking at data that changes over time or plotting x versus y. Here we can actually look at 4 different rows that we're going to feed in using the CSV. And now we can see that the first 2 columns, which are the first 2 rows, got graphed, but not the last 2 columns. Let's change this. Let's add a series and now drag on the x and drag on the y. Now we can see both series, and we can change the look of all these lines. We can also get rid of the first series and get back to 1 series. That's it for DataToInc.com right now. Come back for additional tutorials and new tools. Thanks.